Traveling is an exhilarating experience, but without a well-planned itinerary, it can quickly become overwhelming. Welcome to our guide on crafting the perfect travel itinerary.
Hi, travel enthusiasts. I'm Jane, and today we're diving into the essentials of creating a seamless and enjoyable travel itinerary. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first adventure, this guide is for you.
A travel itinerary is your roadmap for the journey. It includes transportation, accommodation, activities, and dining options. Let's break down the key components. Start with your destination details, travel dates, and purpose. Include transportation info like flight numbers and local transit options. List your accommodation details, must-see attractions, dining options, and budget.
Now let's walk through the steps to create your perfect travel itinerary. Step 1. Research your destination. Use travel blogs, guidebooks, and forums to gather information. Websites like TripAdvisor and Lonely Planet are excellent resources.
Step 2. Set your priorities. Identify top attractions and activities and rank them based on your interests.
Step 3. Plan your days. Divide your trip into days and allocate activities accordingly. Ensure a balance of sightseeing, relaxation, and free time.
Step 4. Book in advance. Make reservations for flights, accommodation, tours, and dining to secure your spot and save money.
Step 5. Create a daily schedule. Outline a detailed schedule for each day, but be flexible and allow for spontaneous changes.
Step 6. Pack smart. Create a packing list based on your itinerary, considering the weather, activities, and cultural norms.
Here are some tips to ensure a smooth travel experience. Stay organized with travel apps like Wanderlog. Stay organized with travel apps like TripIt. Be flexible and open to changes. Stay safe by keeping copies of important documents. Follow local guidelines.
And most importantly, enjoy the journey. Don't stress over minor hiccups and make the most of every moment. Creating a travel itinerary may seem daunting, but with careful planning and organization, it can enhance your travel experience significantly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. Happy travels!
Follow us on social media for more travel inspiration and tips. See you in the next video.